Hello everyone, welcome to my career platform. In this video, I want to share with you on how to set your date and time in Excel using formula in 10 different ways. Now, watch the practical display of it. Now, before I conclude, is this video really helpful to you? If yes, then kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. This is because when you do it, you are helping this video to spread to a greater numbers of people on this platform. And that will enable you to be getting more updates anytime we make a useful and informative post on this channel. Thank you very much. And if you have any question to ask, kindly do well to drop it at the comment section. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your next interview. Until I come your way again, bye for now.